Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Left 4 Dead 2 on your Mac. We will cover several effective methods to get you into the action. First, we'll look at the straightforward native Steam version. Then, we'll explore the benefits of cloud gaming for seamless play. Finally, we'll discuss using virtual machines or boot camp for a Windows experience. Let's get started and find the best option for you. The easiest way to play Left 4 Dead 2 is often through Steam's native Mac version. Simply download the Steam client, install it, and then buy the game. Steam provides a dedicated Mac OS version, ensuring a smooth experience if your system meets the minimum specifications. This method is generally the most direct and offers excellent performance for compatible Macs. It's a great starting point for many players. If your Mac struggles with demanding games, cloud gaming is a fantastic alternative. Services like GeForce Now and Boosteroid stream the game directly to your device, requiring only a strong internet connection. You'll need at least 15 megabits per second for a smooth experience. This means you can enjoy Left 4 Dead 2 without needing powerful hardware, making it accessible to a wider range of Mac users. It's a very convenient option. For those who prefer a Windows environment, virtual machines or boot camp are viable. Virtual machines, such as Parallels Desktop, let you run Windows alongside Mac OS. Install Windows, then Steam, and play Left 4 Dead 2. For Intel-based Macs, Boot Camp offers a way to install Windows directly, providing near-native performance. This method is ideal for maximizing game performance on compatible hardware, giving you the full Windows gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.